GMP Insight number 6, Validation Plan for Thermal Mapping. When planning heat mapping studies for your warehouse, creating a validation plan will be one of the most critical steps. The validation plan, or validation master plan, specifies the company's decisions about qualifying every aspect of the facility, equipment, and processes to maintain a GMP-compliant environment. The plan should take a risk-based approach, with a rationale based on verifiable data. When writing the plan, you should focus on the storage location of environmentally sensitive products and materials and consider whether environmental controls can meet specified storage requirements. Remember that regulators will refer to the validation plan to evaluate the rationale for your company's goals and methods. When writing a validation plan, you should keep in the following 7 points. 1. State the validation objectives. 2. Identify roles and responsibilities of quality, metrology, and other working groups. 3. Identify validation activities, including processes, equipment, and space. 4. Develop documentation and procedures, including the company's response to a temperature or humidity excursion. 5. Determine a validation schedule. 6. Specify the management approval process, especially for adverse events such as temperature deviations. 7. Create change control protocols for all relevant activities. Do all that, and your heat mapping validation be a success. If you found the video insightful, please share it with your colleagues. Visit www.qualistery and join our upcoming free training events to learn more about GMP. Stay compliant, and see you at the next one.